Now I say, okay, hash include IO stream. This is a import or package type in Java, and so for now I'm writing it in the main itself. But the better practice is to build it in functions. So evidently now I assume that there is an array in input array. hmm, And I have some data here, but the better way is, yeah, you can read data from a file also. See, this is some example coming from our yesterday's code only. This data. If you see this data, the same as this data, right? So, and now I need a variable int start is equal to 0. I'll begin. End is equals to how many? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since we begin with 0, we take 9, right? Index. సో నాకు ఇంకొకటి ఏంటి కీ కావాలి యా సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కీ ఐ నీడ్ టు సెర్చ్ సో ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి మనం -1 అనుకుంటాము దెన్ వి ఆస్ ది యూజర్ టు ఎంటర్ enter the key to search. Okay, so key, the user has entered the key. Now what should be doing? Yeah, see, this is what Copilot does for you, right? So now when start is less than or equal to end, this is what we should compare all the time. Now mid, you found the mid, start plus end by 2. If mid, array of mid is the key, then we found the key. If it is less than, start is equal to mid plus 1. If it is not less than, that is greater than, end is equal to mid minus 1. Isn't that what we have done? I'll just show you. Okay. In the algorithm. Yeah. So if mid is lesser than the key, that is, you come back. If mid is lesser than the key, start is equal to mid plus 1, right? Assign the mid plus 1 to start and repeat the step. So here, repeat the step is the block is closed, so it will come and repeat to the while loop. And if mid is greater than the key, so this is else part, end is equal to mid minus 1, right? Assign the mid minus 1 to end. Repeat from the step 5. If mid is equals to key, right? If mid is equals to key is found, and go back. If mid is not equals to, return element not found. So where is that in this? Tell me. Tell me. How do you know that it is not found? చెప్పండి. Yeah. So I'm clear the screen and ls binary search. So I compile. Okay. My output file is a.out. So I run a.out. It asks me the enter the key. So I search for 34. The key found at index 4. 34 is at the index 4. Now let me give 35, which is not there, right? 35. I didn't get anything. But there is no message also, right? That it is not found. Now, how do you print a message if it is not found? That is number 1 assignment for you guys. Okay? Okay, see, it's not something new. We have discussed that already. If mid is not equals to key, I said return element not found. Then how do you put it in the code? You take this code, write it in Python, write it in Java, write it in C++, your favorite language, but come back to me and print if it is not found.
Like return -1.
Where, from where?
I think so, like after n is equals to mid -1.
Here?
After the parenthesis.
This?
Yeah.
Now, now, will you see the magic if I write this? Okay, what is your expectation from this? Okay, guys, it's a good attempt, Shivani. I like that. Now let's see what happens. So this is the element set. Now I want to find let's say 11. Okay, easy. Even 34. I want to find out 34.
We have to remove return 0.
I have to remove
Return 0.
from here.
Yeah,
Okay, I
down.
get 0.
No.
Huh.
Like down, we have to remove return 0.
This one.
Yeah,
This one I have to remove.
yes.
Okay, I'll comment it. Here should be written -1 or written 0.
Return -1.
Okay. Yeah, let's understand. Good attempt. I like that. Now let's continue to do that. Okay, so the first thing what to do, you dry run it, right? So in order to dry run, the best way is take this code, right? Write it on paper. That's why I always admire people who practice coding with pen and paper, guys. Okay? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి magic. So your magic begins here. What is here start? Is start less than end? 0, 9. Yes. What is the mid value? Right? Mid value is start plus end by 2, which is 4, right? 9 by 2 is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 34 దగ్గర ఇండెక్స్ ఉంటుంది మిడ్. Array of mid. Array of 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 34. Is 34 equals to the key? Yes, right? Now we want to find something that doesn't exist. 35. Let's search for 35. Okay, yes, 34. 35 is equals to the key? No. Array of mid, which is 34, is less than 35?
Yes.
Yes. But guys, how is this working? I'm wondering. Do you notice something terribly wrong here? Do you notice that something terribly wrong? Whoever tells that there is a 5-star chocolate, I'll send it.
There is no 35.
Hmm?
But there is no 35, but it's comparing with 35.
Oh yeah, of course, it compares because that's the key, right? Key can be anything కదా అది అందులో ఉండొచ్చు ఉండకపోవచ్చు. Come on, all new participants today. There is something terribly wrong in this code. Shupraja or Shrutilaya, give it a try. It's okay to be wrong, right? In this class, it's okay to be wrong. I'll send a 5-star, guys, whenever you meet me in office. ఎవరైనా సరే. లేదంటే నాకు నేనే కొనుక్కొని తినేస్తా. 3, 2, 1. Nobody? Okay, I got one 5-star today. చెప్పండి ఇప్పటికైనా లాస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్. Whatever your favorite chocolate, I'll give you that. Okay, the very first condition, guys. What is the prerequisite for binary search? What is the prerequisite for binary search?
Sorted అది.
మరి మనం టక ఇగో ఇదే ఈ కోడ్ పైలట్ ఇలా చేస్తుంది. You get it? Now code pilot simply copied from the previous program, that is our own program. And is this sorted? And last time it gave index 4, right? But this should be 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let's try, right? So let's try. So 34 Basically, 34, it gave the index for 4. 34 is there at 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fourth one is correct. But it is there at 0 also. So there are duplicates in this. Did our algorithm handle a sorted array with duplicates? First of all, it could have handled well, but this is not sorted. Yeah? Are you guys with me? అరే అట్లుంటది కోపైలట్ తోటి. దాన్ని గుడ్డిగా ఫాలో అయితే 3, 11, 11, then what's the biggest? 23, 23, 34, 34, 45, 78, 232. So I'm trying to use the same numbers, okay, in a sorted order. అంతే నేను చేసేది ఇక్కడ ఏం not doing any magic here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now let me compile. I should recompile, right? Because I've changed the source code. ఇప్పుడు 34 అడుగుతాను. 34 లేదంటుందేంటి? Search for 34. Hey. See? Magic? It's not working. It says 34 doesn't exist.